Hello everyone! Today we're at the Element in Kamala, one of the 3 Phuket Plus Developers projects which are currently under active construction with the closest completion day in December 2026. Today I'm going to show you what's happening on site, the readiness of each building, the engineering system, the facade. And later on, we're going to head to the showroom where we can see the show unit and the prices. Let's go! Quick word on the project itself. The Element by Noche is in Kamala, the company's home neighborhood. Phuket Plus has been building here since 2008. 278 apartments, 7 floors, less than 2 kilometers to Kamala Beach. On average, around 250 workers on site per day. The pace is serious. First, the technology. The buildings are built cast in place. Concrete poured right here on site, not pre-fab delivered. It's stronger and more durable, especially right here next to the sea. The floor slabs are post-tension. In short, steel cables run inside the slabs and are tensioned after the pour. This allows large spans without extra columns and beams. In practice, less space is eaten up inside the apartments, so the layouts are more open. And the headline. The frame of 4 residential buildings are 100% completed. In the past 2 weeks, we closed the last major stage, poured the roof slabs of Building A. The shell is closed. Building A, frame 100%, roof slab poured. Building B, frame complete, furthest along on the facade. Exterior aluminum, windows glazing, installation begun 25th of May. Building C, frame 100%, preparing for interior finishing. Building D, frame complete. Together with B, it leads on the aluminum works. The frame is closed and the main frontal work has moved inside. Right now is walls and partitions, wall panel installation. We are bringing all 4 buildings and 100% on this. Next in the chain, leveling the surface, plastering, preparing for the final finish. This is the stage when the apartment starting to emerge to the concrete shell. In parallel with the finishing, the engineering system being run inside. Everything that will later be hidden in the walls and ceilings. Electrical, water, drainage, the runs for air conditioning. The logic is simple. Utilities first, walls second. Otherwise, you have to tear everything open later. Outside the facade, exterior plaster plus skim coat, a thin finishing layer under the paint, so the wall is perfectly even. We're bringing all blocks to 100%. Window units and glazing. Building B and D are being closed out. A and C are starting. Not just the residential blocks. Look, pool on level 1, structure fully complete. Gym, frame 90%. Office building 1, 100%. Office building 2, 100%. Perimeter roads 100%. Finished just days ago. People always ask, the sea is right there, the rainy season is there. Doesn't it disrupt their construction? Let me be honest, being close to the sea doesn't directly affect the material choice, but it definitely raises a cost. You need the materials which are specifically resistant to the corrosion from the sea. That's built into the project from the very start. Otherwise, close to the sea, construction and material degrade fast. The rainy season slightly affects the logistic delivery of materials, but honestly it barely touches the actual work. The bulk of it is now inside the building. We're keeping the schedule. What's planned for June? Interior finishing. Buildings A, B, and D, floors 2 and 4. Building C, floors 1 and 4. Wall panels 100% across all 4 buildings. Exterior plaster and finishing coat 100% across all blocks. The only thing that could shift the timeline on individual units is interior layout changes to suit specific buyers. But that's about a tailored approach, not a scheduled sleep. So now we covered the construction. Frame complete. Finishing and engineering underway. Handover in December. Now, for the part which matters the most. If you're thinking of buying, let's head to the showroom. I'll show you what's available. Welcome to the Element Showroom. We just finished shooting at the construction site and now we can see how the project is gonna look like on the mock-up. Okay, Diana, please let us know which units do you currently have on sale and the most important, what is the price?
Okay, in this moment we have available one bedroom for 2987 square meter. The price is start the 4.4 million baht, and two bedroom the 4987 square meter and the price is 6 million.
Okay, perfect. The question is, a lot of people asking, do you guys have penthouses?
Yes, of course. We have a penthouse for two bedroom with the private pool and one bedroom with the private pool.
Okay, Diana, thank you so much for the information. Let's go to see the showroom. Now we're in the two-bedroom showroom, and what's so special about it? First of all, the height of the ceiling is 2.7 meters. The layout, butterfly, two separate rooms with panoramic windows and the massive, huge balcony. What majority of the clients notice about this, look at this, the color of the walls, the design is very modern and very European. But the biggest point which differ the developer from all the others is the special design. Look at that. There is no sharp corners. Everything is round, which makes the space really wider and bigger, which is the best point. The key point is timing. Out of Phuket Plus 3 projects which are under construction, the Element is the one which will be delivered first. You don't need to wait 3 years until the construction is done. The handover is this year, December 2026. All the floor plans, prices, and best offers are in description below, along with our contacts. Guys, message us anytime and we will give you the best information.